I don't know when you're going to be watching this little video clip, but from when we're recording it, it was very recently announced that the Federal Trade Commission has brought the hammer down on a number of dealerships that actually were guilty of falsifying customers' income and falsifying their down payment information. The reason why this is so important is it's not just slightly unethical behavior. It's actually felony behavior, and it's a pattern and practice of those felonies. Those felonies would constitute forgery, bank fraud, wire fraud, and these are all predicate offenses under RICO. What I mean is this: because of those crimes, those dealerships are actually fitting the definition of organized crime. And if they're organized crime, they fall within the scope of RICO, the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, which allows a broad range of remedies, including disgorgement of profits. All you have to do to go to jail is prove the criminal organization and then membership in the organization and profiting from it. What this means in real life is those dealership principals, the owners of those stores, can go to jail because they led organized crime. This is very serious. We're watching it closely. We're interested to see where it's all going to go.